Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate Revolut Esim. So first of all, you have to download this Revolut mobile application here. Now once you download it, you will get this option to purchase a data plan. So open the app and navigate to the lifestyle section of the bottom menu. Tap on eSIM and then select Get Data Plan to choose between local, regional or global coverage option. After purchasing, follow the prompt in the app to install your eSIM. You may need to go into your device settings under mobile network to select and activate the eSIM. Right, so once you are done with it, then you will get this option of configure settings, right, and ensure that the data roaming is enabled in your mobile settings. Check the APN, that is our access point name, is set correctly, typically through truephone.com for Revolut. Restart your device if you encounter any issue, and I will advise you just restart it. It will fix all your problem. If problem persists, you can contact the Revolut support, but I'm sure that by following each and every step very carefully, you will able to do this. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe.